Hola my friends, welcome back to YouTooSpain, your trusted guide to life in Spain, from bureaucracy to back roads and everything in between. Today we're talking about something really important, a change in the law that affects every driver in Spain. Whether you're a resident, a tourist or just passing through, this could literally save your life, or someone else's. From January the 1st, 2026, a new kind of emergency light connected to Spain's traffic system will become mandatory in all vehicles. If you haven't heard about this yet, stay tuned. Let's get straight to it. The days of fiddling around with those flimsy orange warning triangles by the roadside are coming to an end, and not a moment too soon. These new emergency lights, known as V16 lights, are a huge step forward in road safety. And here's why. They're magnetic, wireless and visible from up to a kilometre away. You don't have to risk your life walking down the hard shoulder. Just open your window, pop the light on the roof and you're done. Most importantly, from 2026 these lights must be connected to the DGT's traffic system. That means when you activate one, it automatically sends a signal to alert other drivers, GPS apps and digital road signs that there's a hazard ahead. It's not just safer for you, it warns everyone else too. This will replace the warning triangles completely. In fact, on motorways and high-speed roads, the DGT already recommends not using triangles because of the danger involved. So this change is all about keeping people out of harm's way. Important! Not all lights on the market are approved. From 2026, only V16 lights with DGT connectivity, officially authorised, will be legal. I've linked to some DGT approved emergency lights in the video description below and in the top comment. Don't wait until the last minute, get one now and learn how to use it. It might just save a life. Now, while we're on the subject of car safety and legality, let's quickly run through everything else that you're legally required to carry in your vehicle in Spain and which you could be fined for not having. A high visibility vest. You must have at least one reflective vest that's reachable inside your car, not in the boot. If you have to get out of the car on a motorway or in a breakdown situation, you need to put it on before exiting the vehicle. If you've got 5 people in your car, then you should really have 5 jackets, because everyone should wear one if they exit the vehicle on the road. A spare pair of glasses? Well, if you need glasses or contact lenses to drive, it's advisable but no longer mandatory to carry a spare pair in the car. Essential documents. Always have the originals or the official digital versions of your driving licence, the vehicle's registration document, the ITV or MOT certificate with a valid inspection sticker on your windscreen, your insurance certificate, and preferably a copy of the accident declaration form. You should also have a spare tyre or a puncture repair kit. So, carry either a fully functional and legal spare tyre and wheel or a specific puncture repair kit for your vehicle and the relevant tools to make a repair. What about spare bulbs and tools? Well, this used to be required, but it's now optional unless your car's lights can't be replaced easily. Modern cars often require a mechanic to change bulbs, so the law has adapted. Warning triangles? Well, if you already have them, then fine, but from 2026 the connected V16 light will fully replace them. And again, on motorways, do not use triangles anymore. The risk is not worth it. Get the light instead, now. So, to recap, from 2026, make sure you have a DGT approved connected V16 emergency light. Carry a high-vis vest, your documents, spare tyre, bulbs and tools, and the optional spare pair of glasses if you wear them. And ditch those old triangles if you're still clinging on to them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who drives in Spain. Links to approved lights, vests and more are below. Grab yours now and be ready ahead of the deadline. Hasta luego, stay safe out there, peace and love, peas and fluff, and see you in the next video.